Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a really lightweight, efficient stove to take with you camping, hunting, or even just to put in your survival kit, you should check out this mini Vire rocket stove. It was extremely easy to assemble. It took me less than a minute. The design on this is just genius. Look at the flame I'm getting out of this, and I barely have any wood in it. Thanks to its cross beams that you can put on top of the flame, you can put a pot or a mug or something else that of course is okay with having an open flame, and it heats up quickly. Even though it's lightweight, it's still sturdy. You're going to need to have it on solid ground, but it really holds up. The bottom portion of the stove has an area for airflow to come through, and it works so well. It draws perfectly underneath where you put the wood, and then there's slats underneath the main part where the fire is coming out, and that's where you get your main flow of air through and really keeps it going very well. I love the story behind this. The owner and his dad designed it, and you can see that they really put a lot of thought and love into the making of it. If you're looking for the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure, then I recommend this mini Vire rocket stove. It's absolutely amazing. I love it, and that's my point of view.